Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ishneet Kaur and today I will be reviewing the skincare products from the brand called Pilgrim. They've sent me their daycare routine and I have tried it for good a week and a half, I think almost 2 weeks now, and I'm ready to give my take on it. So I'm just going to dive right into it, but if you guys are new here, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe my video. Okay, so the first product I'm going to review is their Red Wine Face Wash. Before we start, I'd like to point out that Pilgrim is manufactured here in India. It is an Indian brand. It is 100% vegan. It is cruelty free. They do not use any paraben or sulfate. It is FDA approved as well. Okay, so now let's get started with the face wash. So almost all their products, after you open it, you can use it for approx I think 24 months if I'm not mistaken. I had seen it. The description of the product on how to use the ingredients, the amount it will last is all mentioned on the packaging. So it comes in a black and purple packaging. It comes in a plastic bottle. It is 100 ml of product for rupees 350. The main ingredients in this is your vitamin C and your aloe gel. As we all know, vitamin C is really good for pigmentation and aloe gel is really good for hydration. Aloe gel also helps in reducing any form of redness or inflammation on your skin. It is soothing and calming to the skin. This face wash is in gel form and it has a little bit of fragrance. I'll just show you up close. Sorry about the ugly band-aid, but I just cut my finger. It looks like this. It forms a foam. It has a little bit of fragrance. People with sensitive skin, I'd recommend to stay off it or do a patch test at least before you get into the product. This product is good for all skin types and it does the job really well. Once you've reused your makeup wipes, you can use this face wash to clean your face. It does not feel harsh. It does not feel over drying. It leaves your skin very soft and supple and squeaky clean. Now let's get on to the second product. The second product after your face wash we use is a face toner, which is a very important step in the skincare routine. So the face mist comes in the same packaging. In fact, the packaging moreover less is the same. They have the details of their customer care and the phone number mentioned in case you face a problem. You can always contact them. The products are available on their website, which I will link in the description bar below. They are also available at Amazon and Nykaa as well, so you can check that out. This face mist is priced for rupees 300 and you get a 100 ml bottle. So the face mist, again, it is good for all skin types. Once you spray the face mist, it does not irritate the skin, it does not burn or leave a tingling sensation. In fact, it is very calming and soothing to the skin. It gets absorbed also really well. This face mist contains niacinamide and it also contains aloe gel. Aloe gel again is really good to reduce any sort of inflammation and it gives extra hydration to the skin. And niacinamide, it increases the elasticity, reduces your fine lines. There are many benefits of niacinamide. I can go on and on. In totality, it is a really good product. I have dry skin and I have been using this. My skin feels really refreshed, so I like it. Now moving on to the face cream. This one is priced at 550 and it comes in a jar like this with a small spoon. What do you call this? Spatula. Comes with a small spatula like this, so you don't have to like dip your dirty fingers in the face cream. Okay, so this is the packaging. Nice and cute, travel friendly. Actually, I am a fan of travel friendly packaging because then you don't need to purchase new products to, you know, if you're going out. And minis also. I love minis because you can like, it saves so much space while you're packing. Anyway, so moving on. So all of these products, they do contain fragrance. So if that is something which you personally do not prefer, then don't go for it, I guess. But for me, it's not that big of an issue, especially with these products. They've been working fine on my skin. Now for the day cream, it contains SPF and like I said, it is for 100 rupees. I'm saying, like I said, it is for 550 rupees for 50 grams and it looks like this. This day cream, it contains SPF, it contains rosehip oil and you can see the texture. It's very lightweight. It's very lightweight, and it also contains retinol. If you all have heard of retinol, retinol is again another amazing skin ingredient. Just look at this. It actually takes 2 minutes to absorb in the skin, but yet I just love how it feels. Since it has SPF, you need to wear this 15 to 20 minutes prior you walk out of the house. You can use it as a moisturizer under your makeup as well. In fact, today I've used this moisturizer under my makeup, and as you can see, my makeup is still looking beautiful. So coming back to retinol, retinol as an ingredient itself, it helps to reduce sun damage, it helps in reducing your fine lines and wrinkles, it helps in elasticity, smoothens your skin, and it's got many more benefits. In totality, retinol is a really good ingredient which is present in this beautiful jar of day cream. We have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. This was my take on these products. I've used only these products from Pilgrim, and I am honestly loving it. I do not see any reason why you shouldn't buy it. These products are good for all skin types as well, and if your skin is sensitive, just make sure to do a patch test before you applying it on your entire face. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me. If there are any questions, please feel free to write in the comment section below, and I will reply to you guys. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, you guys.